Today on BalloonTube we're going to do the rocket ship. Here it is. Alright, this is out of 3 balloons, and the writing on the NASA probably takes longer than the rest of it. You can also, this is made from a 350, you can actually make it from a 321 as well. So there we are, so there is a slight difference. Oh, the bottom of this one I've done 7 and 5, so it's a completely different shape from this one, which was 6 and 3. This is 3 balloons, as I say, because the 160 for the fins at the bottom and here are from 1 balloon, but on this one I've used 2 160s, so that's 4. Alright, so anyway, I'm going to explain this one to you. So you inflate the 350 and have 4 hands inflated, so that's from here to here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it's the same on this one, it's just that this one looks so much taller because it's the top section is inflated as well. Alright, then you need a 160, oh stay there, 350, 160 in grey for the engine. I've got about 5 fingers uninflated. You need 3 2-finger fold twists. So twist one round, push the knot through a couple of times, squeeze the air, and you want 3 of these. Move the second one, get them roughly the same size, squeeze the air. So this is 3 2-finger fold twists. You need a small spacer bubble, so not even a 1-finger bubble really. Squeeze the air, and now you want 3 3-finger fold twists, so they're a little bit bigger. So put that there, and you need 3 of those. Okay, that's 2. Oh, and the third one, squeeze the air along a bit, just make it a little bit softer, and a little bit bigger. There we go. And I also do the spacer bubble. I do go back to the 2-finger fold twist, so just do another little very tiny bubble, wrap that round the top fold twist a few times, get your cutter out or your scissors, don't use your teeth, terrible. So the larger fold twist go at the bottom, the smaller ones at the top, so it should look a bit like this. You get your main section of your spaceship rocket. Now I tie that around the top fold twists, and then I pull that down to the bottom fold twists and wrap that round, and then get your cutters. We use it sometimes, so you end up looking a little bit like this. Alright, you then need your 160. Now as I said, it depends how you want this. The bottom fins here are a 6 and 3, and this is a 7 and 5. So they do vary. A good tip, if you want to do a 6-finger or a 7-finger, if you go like this, hold it there, put that one there. So if you want a 7-finger, if you go between these 2 fingers there, you know that's a 7. Between those ones there, I'm not sure if you can see those ones there, that's a 6. That would be a 5 if you know, so it's like that, like that. So you want a 7-finger bubble, and just go between that thing, and you know that's a 7-finger bubble. Good little tip that, I think. You might not think so though. Anyway, this goes around here. I'll just try this on where I'm going to do a 7 and 5 or a 6 and a 4 or who knows. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at if that was a 6. Should we go for a 6? Yeah, we'll go for a 6 and a 4. Alright, so that's a 6. There's about a 4. Better try this about right. 6 and a 4. That goes around the bottom fold twist. Alright. And you want a 4 and a 6 then, don't you? A 4 and then a 6. We'll do a little bit of a guesstimate. There you go. It goes round the top section of the small fold twist. Squeeze the air, and you need another 6 and a 4. There you go. And that will go around the bottom. Fold twist. There we go. Wrap that round a few times, and then get rid of that in your favourite method. Favourite method. There we go. Right, and then you've got to get the two bolt twists coming down there, two there, two there. Don't look like that. So make sure they meet underneath as well. And then you need, as I said, with this one you can, if you're very careful with it, get it out of one balloon, but just for the ease I'm going to do it out of two. So you need a one finger bubble here, and at the bottom 160, you want it to be a little bit bigger than the one that's going to go above, so it gives it that angle there. So don't do this one too tight, the bottom one, do that quite loose, just so that it sits around there. Twist the little bubble that you've made, and then you need a little spacer bubble, one finger spacer bubble, squeeze the air, another one finger bubble, pinch twist those two together, so there, twist that around, and then squeeze the air along, and this one wants to be a little bit tighter, so do make that one a snug fit. Alright, there we go, so that top one is just a little bit tighter so it goes like this. And again, I like to have another spacer bubble down to that bottom first bubble that you've done. And that first bubble will end up as a pinch twist. Now get rid of this balloon, use your cutter or your scissors, tie that up so that won't come undone. There we go, add that in. And then the first bubble you made, just turn that into a pinch twist. That will then hide the knots up. It comes up like so, and there, you can pull these down a little bit, so it keeps it a little bit more, and then you've got to spend doing the artwork. I'm not going to do the artwork live, I'm afraid, because it does take a little while, but here it is. I'll come a little bit closer, because there's no one working the camera. Alright. You can put something else on there, you could even put some doors or windows on this side and that. So mine says NASA, and so there's our rocket spaceship. Alright, hope you can use it. If you could hit the subscribe button down there, that would be great, and we might see you on another BalloonTube tutorial. So bye for now, bye!